run through like gold.
Yeah.
Me no try living and running and a joke. Boy try running and a bolt.
Yeah.
Boy skin running and a coat.
Youth. Boy try run. But me must say you no bolt, little boy. Yes, not you seeing bolt. Don't try do it. Trouble! Boo! Bow! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss! Straight out of Jamaica. You don't know a chap. Represent for the whole Caribbean, however. You see me say right now, Popcaan. You see me say, Under Dirt! Featuring man like Masicka, man like Tommy Lee. What you know about that? After the new mixtape, is that a mixtape? You see me say, people want to think. Are you ready for them video? Are you ready for the video them? But guess what, go on. The past boss is in full effect because we don't start get black worldwide again. I'm not deal with them thing there. That now play. So you're going to react to every word, every sentence, every phrase, every punch. Hey, you know a chap already. Like up the video. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post and I'll post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. Numerous times for the day, yeah, man. You don't know a chap already. Mr. Consistent over here, so. You see me say, get your girl pump what up over here, so. You don't know the chap already. Because you want to go for that song, yeah? Show me what a man is you're going to react to right now. Run tune! John!
Genocide, you know.
You hear the demon voice already when the song just a start, you know, you know, so not normal, this in a youth. Unroll it, and then unroll the voice forward, you know, dog. What am I going to say? Come here, yo! Hold on, what if you watch the video? The video started like the video yet? May I go to something like the video for? Run tune!
Young done.
Here, Masicka voice, gang them. Girl, hey, sang go back. Me get out the lighter right now. You did me a say, we get at your work. Damn dead! That means I feel like the video right now. Comment the fire emoji them right now. Comment the fire emoji them. Comment them. Comment the fire emoji them right now. Comment them. Alright, run tune. Boom!
Running on the church.
Boom!
Gila we got put them under dirt.
One! You hear that? The man said them could have went to the church. The man said, hey, he might go put it under the dirt. Bambaco belt. What him say? Go on.
Them fi know me gonna work.
Sure.
And them girl them a fi see me and go. Them a fi see me and go to work. Them could.
Yo, the man make you know say I'm going to my work in the youth. The man make you know now. You see me I say, guess what the man say? Guess what the man say after that? You're going to see him and go bambaco belt twerk. I said the man are powerful. Just killing the blood clot, boy, no? So you have some food, you know? Yeah, I get fat. Ladies, one thing. I know so now watch reaction boss ladies. Oh, I get fat, though. Richard!
They're running at the church. Oh, yeah. Gila we got put them under that.
Yeah.
Them under that.
You're the man voice. You're the bad voice. But hold on. If you go to church, just slave with him out of the dog. You don't have to go to church. You know, slave with him out of the make him weak. He must come out, you know? He must come out. But go on. Run tune. Oh, anybody who have a problem with me pausing the video, you can go listen to the original song yourself because the link is going to be down below in the description of my video. So if you want to listen to the song without me pausing it, giving my reaction, what should you come on the video for? Go and go for busy phone stuff and nobody waste your time comment some foolishness. Become an anger comment. Run tune though.
You know I'm gonna work.
Boom!
I'm about from the fucking day my birth.
Hold on.
Wait, Masicka, wait. Popcaan, I saw you bad. For the day your birthday, you bad, man. Oh, you see what I go on, that's why you're chima for you. I joke, me I run. Masicka, ready for them, Masicka? Fuck it up.
I'm on a fire first, we never yet post face gone. Them want the next notes. Strap up with me all the things.
You hear that? The man say man fire blood clot first. First. Now we find a boyfriend and shot at your youth. First. Bust your gun first. Shoot and run. Run tune.
The chroma rings like wet clothes. Gunshot when me catch force. Grave a dig them yellow left rose. Close range we get close.
Hey, what the man say to do? What it a ring like wet clothes? Bamba. What you know about put a ring like wet clothes. What? You get it? What? What? Hey, remember the last feature? Last album family feature pan some go piss pan the girl them. When am I go say that? That's again. Go on!
Those for me a little bit of boy, me da make post. And me a chill with a girl on the west coast. And she a sing for the dance till she get host. Money and up we make most. Them the like say we resound with.
The man switch up all the flow, everything for me a while ago. Everything the man switch up a while ago, dog. What them know about Masicka? What them know about you, dog? Just tell me what them know about you. Them can't ramp with the general. You see me certain more to comment the bomb buckler. I want the crocodile them. You did me I say? Comment the bomb buckler crocodile them, dog. Come on, I sweat. I can't sweat to look at the girls that I watch. Then I chop. Come on, the crocodile them. Run tune.
Make froze and we a lock down the world and I take shows. Murder when time they take show. Everybody knows say a pussy them day and if night on day them expose.
If night on day them expose. Him a lock down the world and I take shows. Looks like you cut your teeth, dog. You can't even. Yo, youth. Don't ramp with the Masicka. Don't do it. Don't bomb buckle belt. Do it. But guess what? That different. Run tune, right? No pause. No run tune. No pause. Run tune.
Looking like gun. Man lay down flat looking like sun. Walk one. Long time me tell us, me tell them just like a big gun.
Man lay down in the lower. What?
Like gun. Man lay down flat looking like sun. Walk one. Long time me tell us, me tell them just like a big gun.
John Star. Imagine. Are you wrong, you brother? You got this the wrong man. They say your son at what I do right. That's all right now. And that's your guy lie down in. Don't this them man you with you hear that? Them man come in here just drop when I'm looking at your son so. Okay, you can't get up after one because them man are bad. The man them come like a over the man them more cute. I that man tell you. What? Go on. Run back in that room.
Long time me tell them just like a big gun.
In the church.
Bow!
Gilla we got in the church. In the mobile.
I hope.
Alright, here comes Tamil. You don't know why the course again. I know chop already. I can't take up too much time. I know like keep on the video for a long bomb. When I like do it, they don't know it chop, but they don't know chop at the same time. You know I make a whole bomb about 1 hour long video. So now, Tamil, I hope you're not peace for the girl them again. Come in, Uncle Demon.
Up, to all of come about my gun in line, but one in on your face in front.
Which part you boss going a while ago? I said, I'm not going to go back. I'm not going to go back, you know, song, you know. Which part you boss going a while ago, though? Make sure the right place. Go on. We need to run back in your tune, you know. But me nah, but go on.
Daddy good touch. Killing them. Yeah. Million, trillion,
Yeah. Killing them. Hey, billion, trillion. Alright, you go on good in that one, you know. You're not peace for no girl, you know. You go on good, you know. You understand me, I say. So go on, kill them. Billions. Go on. Me like that one, me like that flow, yeah. Go on.
Killing them. Killing them. My friend and them running on, me go deal with it.
What kind of flow this dog? Fling them, million, go down, one of them, pull and chill them. What kind of flow this? Where you get that flow here from? No, hold on, pa. Where you get that flow here from? I want to go. You alright, dog? You got to teach somebody book? Go on.
Killing them. I flip up on a bus.
Yeah.
Rasa pick up calico.
Yeah.
Some of them me promise scope.
Yeah.
Bust
This
them.
one know. Yeah. Nothing wrong with the flow you bust a while ago now. But at this one know. Bumbo clock. Popcaan say you could have run in the church. Grung. Kappa shot and put them on the dirt. Grung. Yo. Go on. And that time we don't know. Fuck it up now.
Them throat like goat.
Yeah.
Me not trying lipping and running and a joke. Boy try running on a boat.
Yeah.
Boy skin running on a coat.
Youth. Boy try run. But me must say you no boat, little boy. Yes, not you seeing bolt. Don't try do it. That's what I have here. Is the me I say ladies. Go man them, the good body woman them forget things. You do me I say. Yes, the ear shit. What? Don't put the rasta boy. Richard.
Them show
Put a gun in the church. Gilla we got put them on the dirt.
Oh yeah. Why
Who should that song no want me jump on? Or why? I'm trying to say no I'm a reactor off of the fixed tape. But they may say just comment them down below. The one with the most likes or the comment on the most spam in the comment section. They don't know. Chop a next reaction to that. They may say. They may a bomb class say. Peace.